Hi, hello, welcome to JP Infotech. Now we are going to see a project demo which is done in Python. The project title is a comprehensive study on social network mental disorder detection via online social media mining. Now we are going to see the base paper of that project. Now I am going to run the project. So for opening the project, I am using PyCharm, which is a official IDE to open the project. So now I am going to run the project. So it will create a localhost. So by clicking the localhost link, I am getting the link in the browser. First step is data collection step. In the data collection step, there will be 19 entries. I have classified the label like 1, 2, 3. After this data collection process, there will be a pre-process which contains 40 entries. And after this pre-process step, there will be a training step. Here I am going to enter the range for 10 entries. The range should be specific in all the entries. After entering the entries, give submit. It will show the prediction step, which is number 4. That is the final step. It shows NC. NC means net compulsion. Net compulsion is one of the mental disorder. In the base paper, they have intimated as a net compulsion, which is addicting to the surfing and which cause lower work interaction with the peoples. It is also one of the mental disorders declared in the base paper. And after again I want to check another classification, so I am going to give range in the training step. I am getting a runtime error. It will be a normal one, so sometimes it will get a runtime error. So if you are getting a runtime error, you can try run from the data collection process from the initial step. After getting the initial step and completing the training process, you will getting a prediction as IO. IO means information overload. The information overload is one of the mental disorder which is addicted to the online gaming and gambling. Thank you for watching.